we will be converting quadratic's vertex form to standard form, but just a little bit more advanced. We are going to be having a coefficient that is a fraction. If you saw the video before, we did a coefficient that was a whole number. Now we're going to use a coefficient that is a fraction. We are using the rules of PEMDAS, GEMDAS, grouping, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So we look at our equation, and we have no real sets of grouping, but we have this exponent right here, which means we are multiplying binomials. So that's going to be exponent. Exponent is 2, and squared means multiplying binomials. This 1/2, that coefficient still stays at 1/2. And we're just going to put some brackets around that so we can remind ourselves that is multiplying binomials, and bring our -4 to the end. We're going to use FOIL, or if you like the box method, we have x times x, which is x squared. -2 times x is going to be a -2x. Now we have another -2 times x is another -2x. -2 times -2 is going to become a +4 and -4. Now here we still have our sets of grouping. We're not done because we need to simplify this expression by combining our like terms. So we have 1/2 x squared by itself, -2 plus another -2 is the -4x. Bring our +4 down, -4. Now here inside our brackets, we have no more simplification or nothing else to simplify, combine like terms or anything like that. So now we're going to distribute our 1/2 to each term inside. So 1/2 times 1 is going to be a 1/2 x squared, minus a 1/2 times a -4 becomes a -2x. Just so if you ever have a multiplying or distributing a fraction, and if you have the numerator as a 1, what you're really doing in its basic simplicity is you're dividing by the denominator. So I can say a -4 divided by a 2 becomes a -2x. I'm going to look at the constant at the back. A +4 divided by a -2 becomes a +2. And that's all of our bracket stuff with our distributive -4. Alright. Do I need to keep these brackets? No, I don't. It's just a habit. Now I need to see and combine our like terms. We have a +2 with no variable and a -4. 1/2 x squared minus 2x plus 2 minus 4 gives us a -2, or a -2 is our final answer. And that is my final answer for converting vertex form to standard form with a fraction coefficient.